Hi everyone, we got the new Xiaomi Redmi K30 and Realme X2 Pro, and today we are going to do a quick charging speed test comparison. As you may already know, both these phones are equipped with super fast charging method. First we can let the phone to be drained completely. Currently it is on 1% and let's try to make it to 0 so we can start the test. Realme comes with 4000 mAh battery and Redmi K20 comes with 4500 mAh battery. Also, Realme has 50-watt fast charging method called Super VOOC, and Redmi K30 has 27-watt fast turbocharging method. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's plug the original cables with the original wall adapter. As you can see, it starts charging. Let's do the countdown from Xiaomi Mi Watch. Let's turn on both the phones. As you know, there are many concerns with fast charging. Some says it decreases the battery performance, but it's not proven yet, and we think most of the people wants to get phone charged as fast as possible. As you can see, it has been charging. Oh, looks nice. These are good animations on both the phones. We have installed the app battery app, which can detect the battery charging speed. It gives the charging prediction as well, but we are not sure how accurate is the time duration. Both phones are charging rapidly. With little over 10 minutes, the Realme has gone over 38% and Redmi K30 only 9%. This is a huge difference. But do not forget there is a capacity difference as well. We have to skip the video a little bit. Now it's little over 20 minutes and Realme X2 Pro is 80% and Redmi K30 is around 18%. It seems the battery heat is around 40 Celsius on Realme X2 Pro, whereas Redmi K30 it's about 38 Celsius. The difference is not that much, but we can assume the higher rate on X2 Pro due to more power from 50-watt charger. Look how fast Realme X2 Pro is charging, almost 95% within 30 minutes. That is so impressive. We think if we are correct, no other phone is able to fully charge that fast. How much will iPhone 11 do? Do you have any ideas? If yes, then share with us. It is about 32 minutes and Realme X2 Pro has already fully charged, whereas Redmi K30 is still on 22%. This is a huge difference when it comes to fast charging. We thought Redmi K30 will do at least 50%. Not sure what is wrong with the phone. This is a brand new phone. Based on their specification, it should go at least 40 to 50% within 30 minutes. In conclusion, Realme 4000 mAh has fully charged under 35 minutes, and Redmi K30 4500 mAh got 22% only. Which is better? You decide. Please subscribe and share our videos. Do not forget to like and comment our videos. See you all soon. Thank you.